Hi everyone, I am Charan Dasagrandi. Today we are going to discuss an interesting topic that is why we should celebrate a birthday and what exactly conveys. Right from my childhood, I was a little embarrassed and felt somewhere the logic is missing on why we should be celebrating birthday and what is so great about a birthday. I mean, thoughts used to come. Every time the same thoughts used to come every time when I attend some birthday parties where candles are blown off, people cut the cake, they cheer, they shout, and the celebrations used to go. While everyone is in full of celebration, my mind used to keep thinking on. I mean, what is so great about a birthday? In this process, when I thought of why we should celebrate a birthday, what falls out in the journey of a human life from a year to year till the final stage of life. I realized some people losing life at an early stage due to some ill health or by some accident. If so, what is our ultimate journey of life contributing to? The result is just death. Despite whatever we do in our journey of life, right from start to end, the end result is death. So, what is the use of celebrating a birthday? This describes the transparency of life from a different perspective, and in fact, this thought has motivated my life to understand uh, much more in depth. In fact, we have to understand that the day we are born is the day when we start our journey towards death. So, your number of years reminds you of the lifespan which you have spent in not achieving your desired goals, or how effective are you in achieving your goals. So what is there to celebrate a birthday when nothing is achieved out of it? So I don't mean that you shouldn't celebrate birthday, but you should celebrate birthday because it reminds you what have you achieved by taking birth on this planet, and what is your contribution to this planet. Not only on the birthday, every day you have to keep thinking of yourself and keep asking yourself. I mean, nothing to worry. All I say to myself here is just chill and add some meaning to life than celebrating your journey towards death, so that people celebrate your life even after your death. And this is how you can make your life meaningful to you and to your loved ones. Ultimately, God has gifted one life, so let us use it effectively. Let us not bother about the rebirth and all. So let us use whatever life is gifted to us in the present, use it to the best to make good future, rather than passing life like insects that take birth and die within a span of minutes or even seconds or some years. So this should be the mantra of our life, to make it more meaningful and add some life to years and make your deathbed a bed of roses. This is the greatest attribute one can give to their parents, to their beloved one, to the society, to their country, to the humanity altogether, like to the complete the earth. My dear fellow human beings, let us start being humans, and let us not, for the namesake, be human beings. Instead, let us start being humans. So, once again, let me remind you, the day you're born is the day when you start your journey towards death. So, rather than passing life like insects that take birth and die within a span of minutes, let us make our life meaningful. Thank you.